we'd like to thank Royal Gourmet for sponsoring this video. Hey, Easter is right around the corner, and you know what that means. It's time for a smoked ham. Hey, the popularity of ham at Easter dinner is an age-old tradition. Historically, pigs were fattened up in the summer, slaughtered in the fall, and then cured over the winter. They were ready to eat in the spring when Easter arrived. Now, I've made dozens of ham glazes over the years here on YouTube. So this year we're taking this beautiful 17-pound ham. We're doing a double smoke and finishing off with the brown sugar glaze. Let's get this ham ready. I'm just going to score this ham roughly 3/4 inch to an inch. We'll do a cross hatch. The whole reason for this is you have more surface area for the seasoning and the glaze. And that just means more flavor. For my binder today, I'm using yellow mustard. You just want to slather a thin coating over all sides to help our rub adhere. Now today I'm using Meat Church Holy Voodoo seasoning. I love this seasoning. Whatever you choose, make sure it's kind of a sweet pork seasoning, right? This Holy Voodoo has salt, sugar, brown sugar, spices with paprika. It's got just a very minor kick to it. But again, choose the rub that you like. While this ham sits here and soaks up the seasoning, let's get over to that Royal Gourmet Offset Smoker and get it going. Got a little lump charcoal here that we're going to start with. Then I'm going to come back in with some hardwood oak. Now that my oak's catching fire, I'm going to come back in with some Applewood chunks. 2 cups of brown sugar, 1/2 cup pineapple juice, 1/2 cup of honey. You know it's going to be good. Honey, brown sugar, pineapple juice. Let's get every little drop out. 1/2 teaspoon ground cloves. 2 tablespoons of sumac. And then we want to come in, what would you say, 2 tablespoons of spicy brown mustard. Let's get this on this Royal Gourmet Smoker. Get the lid closed. This sauce has been on here about 10 minutes. You can see all except the mustard. It's blended in real nice. Always takes mustard a little bit more. Our ham's at 125. We only need to go to 140. It'll creep on up at least 5 degrees. You know, your government recommends 145. My government too. You can see how those cuts we made are opening up, and that'll get some of this delicious sauce all down in there. I just want to cover this whole ham with this brown sugar glaze. And then I'll get the lid back down on it. And we'll keep on cooking it till it gets up to 140. And I'm sure I will apply another layer of glaze as we continue cooking. It's been a little over 7 hours. The ham's at 140. We're going to get it off here. It'll rest and the temperature will creep on up to 145. As I mentioned earlier, this is a 17-pound ham. So it's going to take a while for me to carve this up. It's getting late. We're just going to cut a little bit off this outer edge. I'm going to get some of these bits with the outside on the smoke, a little bit crunchy on the outside with that juicy ham underneath. I got one of those outer bits. This is the part I like of the ham. That's why I do that crosshatch a little deeper than some would, because I like these little pieces. It's crunchy on the outside. I don't know if you can see that. So moist on the inside. Yes. Oh, yeah. Okay, here's what we get. Sweetness, smoke, ham. And the smoke is mild. You get it in the ham about the same time. The sweetness obviously is coming from that honey, from the brown sugar, even the voodoo rub. Even though it has dehydrated jalapeno in it, it's got sugar in it, and then of course the pineapple juice. It's got that beautiful color on the outside. So tender, so juicy. That glaze right there, that'll impress your family, that'll impress your friends. Hey, thanks so much for watching another one of our videos. Hey, look down below. I've got some more ham recipes.